Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9 maths, and our chapter is linear equation in two variables. Okay, student, it's revision time. So we have revised our chapter number 4, that is linear equation in two variables. Okay, what we learn in this chapter, what is equation? Okay, so in earlier classes we have learned already read about linear equation in one variable. An equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 where a, b are real number and a, b are real number and a is not equal to 0. If I talk about ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay, and if I talk about, that is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, now if we talk about ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, so see here variables, two variables are there, that is x and y. Okay, a, b and c are real number, where a, b and c are real number such that a and b is not equal to 0. Means ए और बी दोनों साथ में ज़ीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, इज कॉल्ड अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइंडिंग सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड सॉल्विंग एन इक्वेशन. Okay, the solution of linear equation is not affected when the same number is added or subtracted from both the side of the equation. Okay, both side of equation are multiplied or divided by same non-zero number. Understand? Same non-zero number. Okay, understand? Now linear equation in one variable we see, and linear equation in two variable. So student, when we solve the equation, that is permissible rule for solving equation, the same number or expression can be added or subtracted both the side of an equation. Okay, equation के both the side हमें क्या करना है, सेम नंबर से ऐड करना है और सेम नंबर को ही सब्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. both side of equation can be multiplied and divided by same non-zero number is or expression. Okay, a term may be transposed from one side to the equation to the other side but its sign will be change. Okay, कोई भी आप टर्म को अगर वन साइड से अनदर साइड ट्रांसपोज करते हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं, बट द साइन ऑफ द डेट टर्म विल बी चेंज. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So this is called transposition method. Okay, understand? Now linear equation in two variables. When we talk about linear equation in two variable, the equation is in the form, general form of this equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c are real number and a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, x and y or any variable. Okay, understand? 5p minus 6q is equal to 11 is also a linear equation in two variable. Root 2u plus 5p is equal to 7 is also a linear equation in two variable. Okay, because there are two variables. Okay, not that a and b are not both 0 means the a and b cannot be both 0 simultaneously, that is any one of them can be 0. कोई एक 0 हो सकता है बट दोनों साथ में 0 नहीं हो सकते. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ if any equation is giving you 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, so this is a linear equation in one variable. But if you want to write it down linear in the form of linear equation in two variables, so you can write it in the that is 2x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So this way you can write the equation. Okay, understand? Now solution of the equation. So every linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Remember, every equation, linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Okay, understand? So these are the main concept we start learn in this chapter. Okay student, remember one more thing, method to write a given statement as linear equation in two variable. So if you want to write linear equation in two variable. To write a given statement or a word problem in the form of linear equation in two variable, first identify the variable quantities and assume them as x and y. Okay, understand? Then write the given condition in term of x and y and convert it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is the required linear equation in two variable. Okay, understand? So remember this thing, whenever you want to write any statement or word problem in the linear equation, then first of all what you can do, first identify the variable quantity and assume them as x and y. Okay, understand? Then write the given condition in the term of x and y and convert it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, which is in the required linear equation in two variables. Okay, understand? Now see, solution of a linear equation, the value of variable involved in a linear equation which satisfy the equation, that is for both, which means जिस वैल्यू के लिए LHS and RHS of the equation are equal is called the solution of the equation. Okay, understand? So when the LHS is equal to RHS, so we can say that जो वैल्यू पर LHS, for which value of x LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that that value is the solution of the equation or root of the equation. Okay, understand? Solution and root is the same thing. Okay, the value of the variable which satisfy the given equation in x is called the solution or root of the equation. Okay, a linear equation in one variable has a unique solution, means अगर one variable की equation है तो उसका कोई एक ही solution होगा, unique solution होगा. But if the linear equation in two variables, so they have infinitely many solution. Okay, understand? So the solution of a linear equation is not affected if the same number is added or subtracted from both the side of the equation and both the sides of equation are multiplied or divided by same non-zero number. Okay, method of finding the solution of linear equation in two variable. What is the method? So put, आपके पास में लीनियर इक्वेशन है वन वेरिएबल की, देन द फाइंडिंग इफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0, देन ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0, then for finding its solution we use the following step. Put an arbitrary value of x and y in the given equation. It reduced to linear equation in one variable. हम क्या करेंगे, कोई x या y की वैल्यू रखेंगे और वो क्या करेंगे, वन वेरिएबल में उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे एंड फाइंड द करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ अदर वेरिएबल. दस वी गेट वन पेयर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ गिवन इक्वेशन. ओके, रिपीट स्टेप. फर्स्ट फॉर अनदर आर्बिटरी वैल्यू. आर्बिटरी वैल्यू मीन्स आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. फर्स्ट आप x इज इक्वल टू 1 ले लीजिए, x इज इक्वल टू 0 ले लीजिए एंड आपको y की वैल्यू डिफरेंट मिल जाएंगी. ओके, रिपीट दिस स्टेप एंड find different values of x and y. For convenience we put x is equal to 0 and get corresponding value of y to find one pair of solution. Also we put y is equal to 0 and get corresponding value of x to find second pair of solution. Okay, understand? So this way we find the solution of the equation. Okay, method to check whether given pair of value is a solution of given equation or not. So sometime a pair of value is given and we have to check whether this pair is solution of given linear equation in two variable or not. For this we put the given value in given linear equation. If we get LHS is equal to RHS, then this pair of value is a solution of given linear equation. Otherwise it is not a solution of given linear equation. Okay, understand? Now method of finding the value of unknown when solution of equation is given. If the solution is given, so we can easily find the unknown. Okay, to find the value of unknown when solution of the equation is given, put the given solution, that is the value of variable x and y in the given equation and simplify the equation for आपको जो भी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है के ए बी, तो यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट इक्वेशन. Okay, understand? So in this chapter we learn these so many things, and we draw a graph. Okay, so then when we find the value of x and y, different value of x and y, so we can easily draw the graph of the linear equation. And remember one thing, graph of linear equation is always straight line. Okay, understand? We know that a linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in two variable x and y has infinitely many solution. If we plot this solution on a graph paper, we see that each solution represent a point, and on joining this point we get a straight line. Such a straight line is called the graph of the linear equation. Okay, thus we can conclude that every point on the line satisfy the equation of the line. That is, every point on the line is a solution of the equation, and every solution of the equation is the point on the line. Okay, understand? अगर वो point line पर है means that is a solution of that equation, and if the points are the solution of the equation, then they are on the line. Okay, understand? So remember this thing. Now if possible, choose the integral value of x in step second in such a way that the corresponding value of y also integer. Okay, understand? It is enough to plot c. अगर आप दो पॉइंट निकालते हैं तो वो भी इनफ. इन प्लॉट 2 points corresponding to 2 solution and join them by a line. However, it is advisable to plot more than 2 such points so that the correspondence of the graph may be checked immediately. Okay, understand? Okay, student. And an equation of the type y is equal to mx always represent a line passing through on the origin and the quadrant first and third there where m is a real number. Okay, understand? So remember these things and you can easily solve the linear equation in two variables. All the question in linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now let's see which type of question is come in exams. Okay, so example number first, देखिए simple question. Which type of question is coming? The linear equation 3x minus y is equal to x minus 1 has a unique solution, two solution, infinitely many solution, no solution. So simply you can see the equation. There is two variables and the equation is a linear equation because the highest power of the highest degree of the equation is 1. Okay, so this is a linear equation and there are two variables. So I told you if the linear equation in two variable there are infinitely many solutions. So your answer C is the right answer. Okay, understand? Now see example number 2. A linear equation in two variable is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, or a is equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So which one is the right? So A is the right answer because there is a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. Okay, understand? Any point on the y-axis is the form of x0, xy, 0y or yy. Okay, if the point is on the y-axis means value of x is 0. Okay, and if the value of x is 0, so our point y पर ही होगा. y वाली जो आपकी कोऑर्डिनेट होगी ऑर्डिनेट पर ही होगा ऑलवेज पॉइंट. सो योर आंसर सी इज़ द राइट आंसर मीन्स 0, y. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सी question number first. The linear equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 7 has, again there are two variables, so it has infinitely many solution. Okay, understand? Now see the equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are, so they are natural number, positive real number or rational number. So they are which number? Hence they are natural number. Okay, understand? So x and y are natural number. Okay, x and y are natural number and a, b, c are real number. Okay, remember this thing. Now if 2, 0 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k, then find the value of k. So how to find the value of k? See, here value of x and y is given. So simply you have to put value of x is 2, value of y is 0 is equal to k. So that is 4 plus 0 is equal to k. So k is equal to 4 is your answer. Okay, understand? So this way you can find the value. Okay, now see question number 4. Any solution of the linear equation 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0 in two variables is the same is of the form. So कौन सा फॉर्म होगा इसमें? So see here we can say that it is in the form of x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, यहाँ से हम निकाल सकते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ x, y तो 0 हो गया, प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0, सो 2x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9/2. सो x की वैल्यू तो हमें पता चल गई. ओके, सिंस द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज 0 इन द गिवन इक्वेशन द solution can be given as minus 9/2 m. Okay, minus 9/2 m because see यहाँ पर हमें y की जगह माइनस 9/2 किया दिया है, बट आवर वैल्यू इज x की प्लेस पर हमारा माइनस 9/2 आ रहा है. सो योर ए ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ वन. व्हाट इज योर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन? The graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Cut the y-axis at the point. कौन से पॉइंट पर y-axis को कट करेगा? 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay. So when we want to find this question, so first of all putting x is equal to 0. हम इस इक्वेशन में क्या करेंगे? x की वैल्यू क्या रख देंगे बच्चों? 0 रख देंगे. सो वी कैन ईजिली फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. सो इफ़ यू पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0, सो 2 इंटू 0 प्लस 3 इंटू वाई इज इक्वल टू 6. सो 0 प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 6. सो y इज इक्वल टू 6/3 डेट इज़ 2. ओके, y की वैल्यू 2 आ गई. हमने कब आई y की वैल्यू 2? जब हमने x इज इक्वल टू 0 रखा. ओके, सो the our answer D is the right answer. Okay, the graph of linear equation 2x y axis पर हमें चाहिए. so x is equal to 0 होगा तब हमें y पर मिल जाएगा. y पर पॉइंट क्या होगा? 2. 0 2 is the right answer. Okay, so D is our right option. The equation x is equal to 7 in two variable can be written as. Okay, x is equal to 7 पर हमें कौन सी इक्वेशन हम लिख सकते हैं? सो व्हेन वी वांट टू राइट x इज इक्वल टू 7, सो सेकेंड इक्वेशन मीन्स 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 0 इंटू वाई इज इक्वल टू 7 इज द राइट वे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. एनी पॉइंट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ. एक्स एक्सिस पर अगर कोई पॉइंट है तो वो किस फॉर्म में होगा बच्चों? सो वो फॉर्म में होगा x, 0. ओके, understand? Any point on the y is equal to x on the line y is equal to x is of the form. So any point on the line y is equal to x will have x and y coordinates same. So any point on the line y is equal to x is of the form a comma a. Means वो दोनों point कैसे होंगे? Same होंगे. Hence a is the correct answer. Okay, understand? Now see question number 9, 10, 11, 12. See the question 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have to do by yourself some questions. Okay, this is practice time, and so complete this question 9, 10, 11, 12. See question number 10. The graph y is equal to 6 is a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 6 unit, parallel to y-axis, so making an intercept 6 on the x-axis, making an intercept on 6 on both the axes. So the given equation y is equal to 6 does not contain x. Okay, so its graph is a line parallel to x-axis. So the graph y is equal to 6 is a line parallel to x-axis and the distance 6 unit from the origin. Hence a is the correct answer. Okay, understand? So this way you have solved. Now see the question number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. There are total 19 questions. Complete this question by yourself. See the question 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18.
Ace JEE or NEET exams with Byju's classes.
Now see question number 19 also. You have complete these questions, okay, for exam practice. Okay, and also I will show you the practice question in your practical book, lab practical book. उसमें mental maths के बहुत सारे questions हैं. Okay, MCQ types. So you have to complete that question also. Okay, understand? So practice it and do it by yourself and stay safe at home. No need to go outside the home. Okay, stay safe at home. Have a good day.